Welcome guys. So in this video I want to present to you the Flogo, this compact mini Bluetooth USB audio receiver that you can buy actually on Amazon here. And why is so big deal? Because let's say you have headphones like this SoundPEATS Air Pro, which are Qualcomm based, and they support AptX standards like AptX Advanced, Adaptive, or Lossless. No Windows or Linux have drivers for them. They have only for AptX. So if you wanna get the best sound quality for your headphones without using phone on the computer, basically the best you can get is this adapter. So here I'm running Void Linux, and thanks to the amazing open source software for the GUI they developed, called Flowcast. Here you have basically open source tool for managing your basically your adapter. So how many standards it support? Basically, to install it in Linux or Mac, you need to install this Python 3 modules. So here I am running it here on my PC, and it supports a lot of standards. So let me connect my headphones and I will continue. So here I just connected the headphones, and we can see now, because these headphones are a little bit of special, they support basically LA audio. So currently we have a lot of options. I mean, basically this is the best adapter you can buy for Bluetooth audio, which have support for Qualcomm protocols, actually Qualcomm codecs, and LA audio. So actually many people still don't understand what is LA audio. So LA audio is the new Bluetooth standard, basically that start to be become implemented in like early 2020, but still is experimental, so not many devices supported. So what is the problem of previous standards? Firstly, LA audio required Bluetooth 5.0, and also if you are going to use Bluetooth 5.0, it's also depend on the Bluetooth firmware. So if your for example adapter not support this LA audio, basically it's need to be supported through the software, through the this Bluetooth firmware on your Bluetooth adapter or your wireless card, because nowadays they are combined. Most of the laptops they use Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module combined. So but let's that's on the software side. On the operating systems like Windows or Mac OS or Linux. But let's return here on this adapter. This adapter, the Bluetooth stack of this adapter is integrated. So basically this has been translated to USB sound card. So how it works? You have this control panel on your adapter. You can pair device here from add new device, but of course I already paired mine, so you can clear and add new device. So I can recommend you like buying these headphones. So if you are not Apple user, so the Apple users, they are completely different thing. Apple, their closed ecosystem, their headphones like devices, iPhones, they're supporting their own standards. So most likely we're not gonna talk about Apple because their protocols are like their codecs are only for Apple devices. But entire other world, like for example Qualcomm, uh, uh, they uh, they have too many different standards. So for example, even Qualcomm has like proprietary one. But these headphones, for example, they have Qualcomm chip, and actually they have support on many Qualcomm standards like aptX Adaptive and AptX-Voice. So you ask me, but these headphones, they're already working on my laptop. Yes, they work, but have you tried the microphone? The worst thing possible. No, I tried many headphones and most of them they sound awful, like awful, absolutely very bad. And why is this? Because most headphones they use very old standard for communicating with the microphone and completely other standard for listening music, which is extremely stupid. I mean, I don't understand why they do this, because on the cable, when you plug the headphones, like you're basically you don't have like so many different protocols. But in Bluetooth, every manufacturer of these headphones, like Qualcomm, Apple, like even Huawei, Sony has some proprietary stuff also. They are all implementing different like uh, uh, Bluetooth codecs, and if you don't, if your software on the Windows or Linux side don't support this, basically you're getting closed. So most of them they support like for playing music. Uh, uh, they support SBC standard, but when it comes to microphone, almost 99% if it's not Apple device is not working. Basically the microphone is very bad. Qualcomm came with this AptX-Voice, which should in theory make the microphone works a little bit better, but in practice I tried here, even because this adapter supports this Qualcomm aptX voice, and I can show you when you remove this. So basically, because these headphones they can work in dual standard mode, they can work in LA audio mode, and they can work in the other standard protocol, the old one, and after for example we switch now. So basically this is the original mode of the headphones, and you can see the codec in use is AptX-Voice. So now they are using AptX-Voice, but this is not sound good actually. Still a little bit better than the other other standard, but it's still not good. So what I discover here, and why am I basically making this video, because it's most Apple users like they're putting their AirPods and basically they're enjoying perfect microphone and sound, and the rest of the world you're getting stuck. So how we can fix this to have like so like compatible small headphones and to have very good microphone. So basically these headphones are around 50-60 bucks, and it can be purchased very easy on Amazon. I can show you the link here. Let me see the price. So even 45, one second, that is for the adapter. This is for the adapter price, and for the headphones, let me check. I think they were not that much. Let me see. So okay, here they are selling them in combination, but only the pro variant. Let's say here. Yeah, around $100. Anyway, it's depend on the. I got mine for 60 bucks. I remember, but the price is changing actually. Uh, anyway, you can search for the price yourself, but even that, they are way cheaper than AirPods, and they support. Uh, Also, they have support for LA audio. So guys, this mode basically when you're using LA audio and using aptX Lite is the best mode, because if we switch to aptX Voice, okay, the microphone is not that bad, but when we play the sound, it's actually very bad. It's lower the in this AptX-Voice mode. It's not using only the this for microphone, but actually lower the sound quality on the headphones too. So that's why I prefer this LA audio with aptX Lite codec in this. So in this mode, uh, even when you are using the headphones for playing music, now how I am doing now, the music quality is not changing, but basically your voice is using separate stream, so uh, it's much better quality. So there is one problem in this mode. Sometimes it's showing like metal voice, so it's need to disconnect your adapter, connect it again, and make sure your microphone volume stay like this. uh, it's not too much loud or too much silent, because aptX-Voice, it needs to volume up. You need to volume up a lot more uh, the microphone to work. So I can demonstrate now. Now we are using aptX Lite, and basically I can listen the music with full quality. Still my microphone is working okay. If I switch to AptX-Voice, like I will do now. Okay, now we switch to AptX-Voice. So now I have to lower the volume up like this, you see. And when I'm using AptX-Voice, uh, the microphone quality is okay. But when I play for example, using the headphones with some other sound, the sound quality on the headphones is going down. So it's basically it's breaking the sound quality when the microphone is being used. So that's why LA audio is preferred way, and maybe in the next firmware update they will address LC3 and it should use unicast streaming as is the LC3 standard. But what is happening in practice is that this is LC3 and we need a lot more volume up for this, and the sound quality is not good. So it's not good, and they need to work on the. I can recommend to this guy who updated the firmware of this device to work a little bit more to support LC3 to be better. Okay.